Good morning, students. My name is DEEPAK and Professor at JAYOTI University. And in today's class, we will see incidence and levy of tax. So, subject to the provision of this act, every dealer who is an importer of goods or who is a manufacturer of goods and whose annual turnover exceeds rupees 2 lakhs or whose annual turnover exceeds rupees 5 lakhs shall be liable to pay tax under central sales tax. So now with notwithstanding any time contained in subsection 1, a dealer other than in clause B subsection 1 whose turnover in the year does not exceed rupees 25 lakhs and who purchase goods from the registered dealer may opt for payment of tax as may be noticed under section 3 of sections 4. So, notwithstanding any time contained in subsection 1 or 2, every casual trader shall be liable to pay tax under this act. Then, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1 and 2, every person other than a casual trader or registered dealer who carries on business temporarily for a period not exceeding 120 days in a year shall be liable to pay tax under this Central Sales Tax Act in the manner as may be prescribed. A dealer registered under the Central Sales Tax Act of 1956, Central Sales Tax number 74 of 1956, who is not liable to pay tax under subsection 1 to 4, shall nevertheless be liable to pay tax in accordance with the provisions of this Act. Now, withstanding anything contained in this Act, a dealer registered under the Act shall be, so long as the certificate of registration remains in force, be liable to pay tax irrespective of his turnover, uh, levy of tax and its tax rate, subject to the other provisions of this Act and the provisions of the Central Sales Act 1956, Central Act number 74 of 1956, the tax payable by a dealer under this Act shall be at such point or points as may be prescribed in the series of sales by successive dealers, and shall be levied at such rate not exceeding 50% on the taxable turnover. It may be notified by the state government, the official gazette. Every dealer who is goods or business purchase any goods other than exempted goods in the circumstances in which no tax under section 1 is payable on the sale price of such goods and the goods are disposed for the purpose other than those specified in clause A to G subsection 1 of subsection 18 shall be liable to pay tax on the purchase price of such goods at the same rate of which is could have been leviable on the sale price of such goods under the subsection 1. Notwithstanding any time contained in subsection 1, the tax payable by the dealer covered in subsection 2 of subsection 3 shall be levied at such rates not exceeding 5% of the turnover. It may be notified by the state government. Where any goods are sold packed in some material, whether charged for separately or not, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, the tax liability and the rate of tax, the packing material shall be according to the taxability, and the tax and the rate of tax on the goods packed herein. Then payment of lump sum in lieu of tax. Notwithstanding anything obtained in this act, but subject to the provisions of subsection 2 or subsection 3, the state government may provide an option for payment of tax in lump sum in respect of sales of such class of goods by such class of dealers on such terms and conditions may be notified in the official gazette. The tax and lump sum specified subsection 1 shall not be exceed or limit or maximum tax liability as provided in subsection 1. Levy of tax by weight, volume, measurement, or unit certain goods. Notwithstanding anything contained in section 3 and 4, the state government may fix the amount of tax payable on the sale or purchase of certain goods or class of goods in respect of a specified area or whole of the state on the basis of weight, volume, measurement of unit, on such terms and conditions as may be notified in the official gazette. The amount of tax payable under subsection 1 may be fixed with reference to the type of vehicles or carriers transporting the said goods, and also with reference to the quality thereof. The amount of tax notified under subsection 1 and 2 shall not be exceed the amount of maximum limit of tax liability as provided in subsection 1 of section 4. The state government may be an order published in the official gazette and subject to such terms and conditions as may be specified in such order. Delegate its power under the section to the commissioner. Now levy of tax on livestock. So notwithstanding anything contained in section 3, 4 and 6, tax on the sale or purchase of livestock at such rate not exceeding 10% of the sale or purchase price as a carry may be of such livestock and such point of sale purchase as may be notified by the state government shall be payable by every person who sells or purchases livestock in the state, and the provisions of section 28 shall apply to such person. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1 in respect of livestock of such class as may be specified by state government. By notification of official gazette, tax shall be payable at such date per head, not exceeding like 100 rupees as may be notified. Different rate of percentage of tax, different rate of percentage of price of a different rate of per head may be notified by the state government under subsection 1 and 2 for different classes of livestock. Now we talk about exemptions of tax. Notwithstanding anything contained in this act, where the state government of the opinion that is necessary or expedient in the public interest so to do, it may be notification in the official gazette exempt fully or partially, whether prospectively or retrospectively from tax the sale or purchase of any goods or class goods or any person or class or person without any condition or with such condition as may be specified in the notification. Bar against collection of tax when not payable. No person is not a registered dealer or no registered dealer who is not liable to pay tax in respect of any sale or purchase shall collect on the sale of any good and is sum by way of tax from any other person. So no registered dealer shall collect any amount by way of tax in the excess of amount or tax payable by him under the provisions of the Central Sales Tax 1956. So no dealer shall collect any sum by way of tax in respect of sale of any good on which virtue of section 8 no tax is payable. Dealer opting for payment of lump sum amount in lieu of tax under section 5 or who is covered by section 2 of section 3 shall not collect tax or any sum in lieu of tax. Burden of proof. So the burden of proving that any sales or purchase affected by any person is not liable to tax any for any reason under this act, or to prove for entitlement or input tax credit on purchase shall be on such person. So that's all for today's class. Today we talk about incidence and levy of sales tax. In sales tax topic, what we have done till now, what is the meaning of sales tax, what is the tax rate, and what are the objectives to make sales tax, and what is the tax rate, what are the incidents and levy of tax, and how to do registration of dealers. All things we have seen in this. So questions also come from this. Important questions are uh, how to do registration of dealers. First question is this. Second question can arise, what are the incidents and levy of tax. Third question can come, uh, what are the sales tax forms. Fourth question can come, what are declared goods. And five questions can come, uh, what happens if registered sales or if dealers are not registered. So these questions can come in competitive exams. So prepare well and study well. If you like this video, share this video with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment section. I'll clarify your doubt in next class. And thank you very much for listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.